We're here at Attention to Details in Chesterton, Indiana, where we're going to do a follow-up video today on the installation of my RS7's exhaust system by Frequency Intelligent. Okay, first of all, you're probably wondering why the hood is off the car. Brian, let's tell them what we discovered when we started to get ready to buff this thing out.
All right, so when the car come in, like you said, we got a lot of different things going on with it, the exhaust system, and then we were going to just do, because it's really not that bad as far as swirl marks, so we're going to just do a stage 1 paint correction. But as we dug deeper into the car after cleaning it and decontaminating the paint surfaces, we found, which I've talked about in a lot of my previous videos, we found a lot of marks in the hood of clear coat failure, sorry.
Which I thought were rock chips at first. I thought it was some weird rock chip that was repaired, or even some color was dabbed in there, and you're like, nope, it's something completely different.
And that's what a lot of people don't realize. So that can happen from bird poop, bug splatter in the summertime when everyone goes on vacation and they're bugs and they let them sit on there, their aceticity, and then break down your clear coat. Your clear coat, paint is like skin. So your clear coat is always moving with your paint all the time, especially in hot temperatures. So when those contaminants fall in the car, and if they're not taken off relatively quick, what happens is that clear coat is like a sponge. It's going to start sucking all that crap in, and then the aceticity and the fallout from everything starts to break the clear coat up, and it starts to flake away like your skin. Enhance, that's what happens. Can it be polished? Some of them, if you catch them quick enough, you can do a little bit of wet sanding to remove them, but when they were getting to like it was on Rudy's hood here, it just ain't worth it. And what we're doing to this car, it's just better to unfortunately take the hood off and have it resprayed. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the exhaust system that we removed here today, and now we're getting into taking off the downpipes off of the twin turbo system here. But these, what Rudy's holding here, is the new one of, because there's two, of the new down tube that's going to be
by Frequency Intelligent.
But just absolutely stunning and amazing quality. But so we're going to free up a lot, and once we pull these out, we'll take a picture of these two just to show you their downpipe tube compared to Audi's. Now this has to be this way because of factory and all the regulations they have, but it's going to be a huge difference. And speaking of a huge difference, if you guys want to follow us over here, I'm going to show you the exhaust that we took off here just a little while ago from the factory. Watch yourself there, Rudy. Now,
look at the size difference of these pipes.
Yes,
it's crazy.
And just the weight of this, the original exhaust, see all the restrictions that this has got to go through. This is all just because of environmental regulations and stuff like that. But the sheer alone weight is massive. But if you get closer into this, you can see the diameter that Rudy's got here on his. But then you get, I mean, it's much more massive. But then throughout this whole exhaust system, where everything is pinched off for it to fit in their car, see how this is squared off? So you actually lose flow through all this. You got some over here, you got some underneath in the back. This system here is just completely wide open. It's going to be amazing. So it just blows me away, just the weight savings he's going to have, plus the power.
It's really going to bring this car to life. It's going to be a whole new,
oh God, yeah.
Whole new animal.
I'm excited.
We've now got the FI downpipes installed, so check back soon for some awesome before and after sound footage of this exhaust project. Thank you.